Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of natural log of x over x. This is a classic substitution problem. Quick reminder, in substitution, we choose a new variable u for part of the expression and then replace its derivative as well. So let u equal natural log of x. Now differentiate. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So du is 1 over x dx. That is perfect, because 1 over x dx is already sitting in the integral. Now rewrite the integral. Ln of x becomes u, and 1 over x dx becomes du. So the integral becomes the integral of u du. Now integrate using the power rule. The integral of u is u squared over 2. Now substitute back. Since u equals natural log of x, the result is natural log squared of x over 2 plus c. So the final answer is 1/2 times natural log squared of x plus c. Quick takeaway. When natural log of x appears together with 1 over x, substitution is usually the best method.